So this is Camp R.I.T. This is actually the 4th year that we've done Camp R.I.T, but we've done this camp, we changed names about 4 years ago. We've been doing this camp now for about 18 years. It was previously called Character Academy, and so we've got about 21 or 22 middle schoolers from across the region here today who are learning about respect and integrity and teamwork. That's what R.I.T stands for, and learning about all things fire and EMS. They may want to do it as a volunteer, or maybe they want to do it as a career one day, and we want them to have that experience.
I'm here at Camp R.I.T. I've been going here for 3 years. It's been really fun and definitely a learning experience.
What we try to do is we just try to give them a chance to do things here that normal school groups who maybe come for a station tour don't get to do. So it's a little bit more hands-on, a little bit more in-depth. So they're getting to flow water from the end of a fire hose and actually hook the fire truck up to a fire hydrant. They're getting to explore our Tower 9, which is a ladder truck that has a bucket on the end of it. They'll get to get in the bucket and ride up it a little bit. And they also are getting a station tour and to explore the firefighters' gear. Later this afternoon, we'll go to our training center where they will learn CPR. They'll get to interact with our technical rescue team as they come down a high line. And they're also going to learn about 911 this afternoon with some of our 911 telecommunicators.
We learn about firefighting, and I definitely have a new perspective on firefighting. I didn't know like all this stuff about it, and it's definitely been really fun going here.
We really want them to just have an appreciation for this as a career. We want them to understand that like anybody can do this. I mean, it takes a special person to do this, but anybody can have an interest in this, and we want people to kind of get an interest in this, but we also want them to learn things just about being a good citizen and being, learning some respect for each other and some integrity and how to work together.
Yes, I would definitely recommend it. It's super fun. We get to learn a lot of stuff. We get to go down to the training center, and sometimes we get to go through the maze trailer